This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Susie Soave. If you're looking for a unique downtown investment property, this is it. Cottage style 1 bed/1 bath, large walk-in closet/laundry room and separate all-purpose sunroom. Enjoy the quaint outdoor space with choice of decks for relaxing by the fire, napping, or entertaining at the built-in indoor/outdoor kitchen bar. The property has a secret garden feel with all of the flora, fauna surrounding the multiple decks. Located 1 block off Main Street. For easy access to shops, restaurants, breweries, and healthy food choices. The original stone steps lead down through the garden, past mature trees and bubbling pond allowing foot traffic access to everything, so no need to hop in the car. This is one of a very limited number of nightly rental property opportunities in the city of Blue Ridge as Airbnb locations are limited by zoning. Property is sold as is, furnished, turnkey and ready to go. For more information,